Are you a man who's convinced that your fiance or wife is cheating on you and you need a lie detector test to prove it? If so, call the Maury Show at 1
Is that good stuff? Is it good
Maury.
stuff?
That's 1-888-45-MAURY.
Is that good stuff?
Is it yummy?
Is it good? Is it good stuff? Is it good stuff?
I don't know how much you want me to record. Is that yummy? Here comes some more!
Is it good stuff? Is it good stuff? Yeah, is it good? Hey.
It's your money. Use it when you need it.
We're making a mess.
Dental pain can start like that, but always ends with a call to 1-800-TOOTHACHE.
Visit Acton for dentistry and dental services.
Uh-oh.
Here at the Brown Massey College family of schools. As I'm sure you can imagine, many careers out there today require hands-on experience. So when you're deciding where to go to get your education, that should be on your mind. You need to look no further than Brown Massey College. That's
Adric,
why
is that good?
Brown Massey
Is it
College
good stuff?
for him.
I was looking to further my education.